Hey everyone, Scott's here coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf, and I want to take you step by step on your steps to become a member here and to also make those 4,000, 1,000, I'm sorry, 4,000, 2,400, and $800 commissions. I'm going to come back to this in a minute. As you can see, I'm a diamond member. But what are you going to do when you smash the subscribe and hit the bell? So first you're going to smash the subscribe, hit the bell. That's your first step. Your next step is going to be to watch me in this video, okay? So right here, you want to ask yourself this question. Do you want to make $800, $2,400, or $4,000 per sale that we make for you? Answer yes or no. I personally have been doing this now since 2016. And when you stay to the end, I have some extremely great bonuses where I'm going to start your business, okay? I will start your business. So right here, when you go to the description in the link after done watching this full video, it should be about 6 to 8 minutes long. After you come to here, you're going to put your email address in here. You're going to be able to get on my special email list with all my offers. I do bonuses all the time, so you're not going to want to not put your email address there. And it's going to take you over to what we call a bridge page, okay? So let's recap on the step by step. When you're done watching this, you're going to go to the link in the description below. It'll take you here. Then once you ask yourself and you want to make 4,000, 2,400, 800, put your email in here, and then you're going to come to the bridge page. So that was the recap on that. Now you want to watch the bridge page, okay? Now, just so you know, all this does in here, it explains to you how, and I'm going to show you 2 bonuses shortly. It explains to you how they do all the work and we collect the commissions. Yes, including me. They do the work for me, all right? So this is a very well-greased machine. So after you're done watching that, you're going to want to click on the OCM products and bonuses, okay? Now, what are we? What is the product? It's a traffic membership advertising. Every business needs advertising, including the OCM, Online Consistent Money System. So what you're going to do, you're going to watch all about the product, okay, right here. And what I like about this, it's done for you, because once you're done watching that, if you have any questions, you're going to call this phone number, 1-800-576-2917, and tell them Scott Darvid sent you. And when you get your link, you're going to have your name on here for your leads to call. And it's automated. You don't have to do YouTube videos. I just like to do this because I do full time. We have the automated way to make those 4Ks. Just like Carol, very happy with the OCM system. Let me show you 2 bonuses. I'm just going to highlight 2 bonuses. You do not need to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and telling for you. 100% factual. As you can see, I have my 50K trophy right here, and I'm looking forward to my 100K coming very soon. We make the sales for you. You keep 100% of the commission, just as if it were you sold them yourself. 1,000% correct. So that was a bonus I wanted to show you there. Dan F in Florida, 12,800 in just 4 days? Come on, folks. This works very, very well. Michael C, 4,200 in 3 weeks. And yes, they do play. So you can go through all of these in the link below. And again, you're going to start right here, okay? So now we're going to scroll down. They're going to send an override if you buy traffic, but don't worry about that. You're not taking anything out of your pocket because I'm going to start your business, and that gets you to my bonus. You're not going to take any advertising costs out of your pocket, okay? So continue to ask yourself, do you want to make $800, $2,400, and $4,000 delivered right to your door? Simple, no complicated back offices, all email based. Team that takes care of you, just like Kevin C, 6,400 in 1 week. He was appalled. Unbelievable. This system is unbelievable. I'm in love with it. It's my main business of 2024, 2025. There's Bob Housden, the owner himself. I talk to him pretty much on a daily basis because he runs a very tight ship. We do have 0 out-of-pocket financing if you qualify for it. If you know you qualify for it, you want to try it, you start your business 0 out-of-pocket. Click here to see if you qualify for 0 out-of-pocket financing. And I'm sorry, this one was instructions step by step and a list how to get started with the online consistent money system. So now let me show you what your bonuses are. So now I'm in my diamond. I am a diamond, okay? Welcome to your diamond membership. What I'm going to do, if you start at the diamond, I'm going to send you 1,000 leads to your link that looks like this. Yes, and don't worry, they set everything up for you, okay? They'll set everything up for you, your link and everything. After they set it up, just let me know and I'll start sending your traffic, okay? We're going to take it on up to the platinum membership right here. If you start at platinum, okay, which is the middle one, platinum, I'm going to send 300 clicks to your link that looks like this, okay? And because you're going to have the same exact system that I have, all right? Boom. So that's how that goes. If you do start at the lowest one, gold, I'm going to send you 100 clicks, okay? So those are my bonuses, folks. Make sure you smash the subscribe, hit the bell, ask yourself the question, do you want to make $800, $2,400, $4,000 per sale? That works. I showed you the documentation behind me. And if you look at more videos on this in this YouTube channel, you're going to see the proof of how many videos I did on this and how I did. I look forward to connecting with you all. You have a great day. And again, don't forget to smash subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on my next video.